Hi guys, welcome back to Away with the Hills.
We've just arrived at the 4 Waterfalls walk. The sun's shining, it's a beautiful day.
So we've had a weekend in the Brecon Beacons this weekend. So have a look back on the previous video. That's a bit of wild camping that we did last night. And then today we've just driven from the spot to over here to the car park. And like Becky says, we're at the 4 Waterfalls walk. So let's take you along with a beautiful walk. Catch you in a bit.
Bye.
Hey, it's great to get some fresh air in the lungs, isn't it, Babs?
Yeah, definitely.
Nice bit of sun as well.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous day.
Beautiful surroundings as well. Quite an easy walk so far. Nice underfoot, nice hard packed gravel sort of thing. Very nice. No Ian's gear review on this episode. Sorry about that, guys. Haven't really thought of anything to review this time because it's just a little walk. But Becky might have something. She's just bought some lovely new leggings.
Yeah.
How about a bit of Becky's gear review today?
Yeah.
What you got, Becky?
So if you
Show us the badge.
the Adidas T-Rex.
Nice.
Yeah, very comfy, very warm, very complimentary. You know, all these women that worry about wibbly bits, and you know, me being a woman, I can vouch for that. We all have our confidence issues, but these are fab. Yes, really good. So yeah, get to go outdoors and get yourself a pair of these.
Just walking down to the first waterfall then, guys. I can hear it. Can't see it yet. Let's go and see what this waterfall looks like then. Sounds good. Get a nice photo.
Yes, so beautiful, it's lovely.
So this was the first one then. Lovely. Let's go and have a look at this second one. Right, good. Put your foot in. I have to say, Becky, you're looking very coordinated today, looking very glam.
Well, I like to make a bit of an effort.
We're all pink and brown. Not pink and brown, I'm a colourblind, pink and grey.
Right.
Pink and grey today. Bellies are rumbling now, so let's find ourselves a nice little bench.
Yeah,
oh,
lovely.
nice little bench. How convenient. Get some nice sandwiches down. Absolutely starving from the walking.
And me.
Whew. What you got? What you got today?
Oh, let's have a look.
I think I got chicken salad sandwiches.
Yeah, roast chicken and bacon.
Oh
club.
yes, roast chicken and bacon club. Even better.
And I've got ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. Look what I just found. We know how to live. Prawn cocktail crisps. You be careful. Over.
How are you enjoying it so far then, babe?
Oh yeah, it's good fun. It's nice. I like getting out in the fresh air. I like all the nature as well through this nice woodland. And then some ace waterfalls as well. Perfect Sunday.
Good for your soul, isn't it?
Oh, it is good for your soul, yeah. Absolutely. Then back later, sit on the settee. You can reminisce about having a lovely day out walking in the countryside. Right, from the first waterfall then, we've made it all the way around this red loop here. Now we've got to climb all the way down. Where I said the next waterfall is going to be this, it's not, it's actually this one next. So we hit that one first, and then walk up to number 3, then back all the way up again to where we are here, then number 4. So let's start making our way down. Here we come for waterfall number 2 then. Moved on to the top of waterfall number 3. Let's have a look at this, what it's like round the corner. Waterfall number 3 was pretty spectacular actually, but I think we're actually saving the best till last. Waterfall number 4. Let's get there then.
Just a little tip, guys, if you're visiting the 4 waterfalls, don't wear trainers. Wear some good comfy, safe, sensible shoes, because it can be very slippy, very muddy, and them brand new white Converse just won't cut it.
Here we are then, waterfall number 4. Just come down about 3 million steps. But look at that, behind the trees. Wow. You can actually walk behind it. But I don't know whether it's a bit too risky today. number 4 done. So we're going to get back on this red path all the way back round here to the car park. Remember peeps, no white Converse. Those nice new trainers, they won't be so nice and new after this. Ooh. Started off lovely walk, lovely weather. All of a sudden, rainstorm out, middle of nowhere's come. Oh, look at that coming in, guys. Over the hills.
Ooh, but we can do it.
Let's carry on. Embrace the rain, Becky.
Embrace it.
Embrace that rain.
So, last stretch now, guys, before we get back to the car. I've definitely got my steps in and the rain's picking up a bit now, so we're gonna keep going until we see that car park.
Back to the start of the loop then. So we turn back to right, back to the car park where we've come from. It's a 35-minute walk there. Uphill slog starts off with. At least it stopped raining now, isn't it, Babs?
Yeah.
So we're just on the last climb before the car then, guys. Had an amazing weekend in the Brecon Beacons. Last night with wild camping, so remember, check out previous video with that on if you've not seen it. This one's been the 4 Waterfalls walk, so if you like what you see, always get over here yourself.
Yeah, please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy our adventures, guys.
But that's it from this one, so stay tuned and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.